Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow liquid. To achieve perfectly melted marshmallows, you have two excellent options, the microwave or a double boiler. Both methods are straightforward, but adding a tiny bit of liquid, like water or butter, is key to getting that wonderfully smooth, pourable texture. Let's dive into the specifics of each technique to ensure your success. For a quick and easy approach, the microwave is your friend. Simply put your marshmallows into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat them in short bursts, about 15 seconds at a time, and stir well after each interval. This prevents scorching and ensures even melting. Remember to add about 1 teaspoon of water or butter for every cup of marshmallows to help them become wonderfully smooth. If you prefer a more controlled melting process, a double boiler works beautifully. Set a heat-proof bowl containing your marshmallows over a pot of gently simmering water, ensuring the bowl does not touch the water. Stir constantly until the marshmallows are fully melted and smooth. Just like with the microwave method, incorporate about 1 teaspoon of liquid, such as water or butter, per cup of marshmallows. For the best liquid marshmallows, always start with fresh ones. They melt much more easily. Regardless of your chosen method, frequent stirring is crucial to prevent any scorching and to achieve that silky smooth texture you're looking for. Don't forget that little bit of added fat or liquid, like butter or water, as it truly makes all the difference in creating perfectly pourable, delicious marshmallow liquid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.